Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Thank you, Sandy.
You all set?
Yep.
Alrighty. I'll see either you or Katie in a couple months, Beth.
Yes, absolutely, Sandy. Thank you so much. It was wonderful to see you.
Great to see you. Katie, okay?
Yeah, she's doing all right. She had a procedure done. And so she's on light duty, and they don't really want her lifting right now. Is abdominal. Okay. So that's why I came in her stead right now.
She doesn't want to lift Fiona.
You know, I think Fiona, it probably would have worked out somehow with Fiona. She probably would have made it work.